Hi, it's Bobby here, and welcome to the How to Grow Your YouTube Channel in 2020. Tip number 3, call to action. Well, before that, let me review what happened in the previous one. So it was how to grow your YouTube channel in 2020. Tip number 2, which was post frequently. So I recommended to bulk record your videos, right? And then bulk edit, and then you'd have enough videos to upload for the whole month. So my recommendation is at least 2 to 3 uploads a week, starting off with 1 and then grow from there, right? So tip number 3, guys, call to action. The importance of call to action. So the mistake that most YouTubers make, some YouTubers make, is at the end of the video, right? They don't do any call to action. They're just like, okay, bye. So you always have to give a call to action at the end. I wouldn't want to overwhelm them with like 3 or 4 or 5 things, right? So towards the end, you gotta tell them to give it a thumbs up, to subscribe to your channel, right? So my question to you is, what do you do to your audience or ask your audience at the end of your video? Do you tell them to, give you a thumbs up? No? You tell them to subscribe with the notification bell? Perfect. Call to actions like this video, subscribe with the notification bell, leave a comment, anything like that, or click the link in the description below, right? But no more than 2 call to actions, because if you give many calls to action, guess what? They're not going to do any at all. So, all right, guys. So enough being said, please like this video, subscribe, click the notification bell, and look forward to my next video where I will go over what kind of videos you should make, right? So tip number 4 would be what kind of videos you should make. If you haven't gone through the series, please check out the playlist and the suggested video there. Be sure to check out the tip number 2, which was to post frequently. All right, guys. You guys have a good day, and we'll see you in the next episode. Peace out.